Hi there, Mark here again. Welcome to this quick little video about this bargain that I picked up at Aldi last week. It's a Ferrex 3.6V lithium ion pivot handle electric screwdriver, and yeah, I picked this up because obviously the first thing is the price point at £15. Seemed like quite a bargain. I have had this other, I think this is a Powercraft screwdriver from Aldi for a few years now, and it's come in handy. It's been pretty good, still going strong, but this one caught my eye because it's got a few nice little features. So we'll just get it out of this handy little carry box it comes in and have a look. So the first thing that caught my eye was the fact that it's got various torque settings, so we can adjust the amount of torque that the screwdriver delivers, and also it's got this captive attachment so that it grips onto the different screwdriver bits that you can fix into there. And the other cool feature is that if you press the button on the top, the whole thing swivels round and it turns into a kind of ordinary straight screwdriver, which is great for getting into places with a restricted area where it's a bit tight to get in, and also you can use it as an ordinary screwdriver like that. So I like that feature, that's pretty cool. In addition, we've got the button we can press on the top, and if you can see there, it gives us the status of the battery, which is cool. Haven't got that on this one or any torque settings, so that's nice. And we've got a button here for, if we push through, to reverse the rotation of the screwdriver. And we've also got a handy light that comes on there that helps illuminate whatever you're screwing in or unscrewing. The main reason I wanted the different torque settings is because of my RC hobby, and I've been using this one on the little cars that I build, the 1/10 cars, and it's quite easy to strip the threads in the plastic that the small 10mm screws go into. So if I just show you, this is one of the cars I'm talking about. Get one of the smaller bits, you could probably hear there the torque setting kicking in, so that'll stop me from stripping out the plastic, so that's a great feature. Although I must admit that even the lowest setting seems quite high torque to me, so I don't think I'll be using anything else other than the first one on my cars. But also this screwdriver is going to come in useful for lots of DIY jobs, so let's have a quick test of it on a nice big thick piece of timber. There's a decent sized screw, so what I'm going to do is going to see if I can screw it into this without drilling a pilot hole to see if it's up to the job. So I'll get the right piece in place. Yep, looks like a good fit. Let's see how it does. Well, it made light work of screwing that one in. You can see on the low setting it's still sticking out, so if I just turn the torque up, let's try number 5. Yep, that's gone all the way in, and obviously we can turn it all the way up and have it with just the screwdriver setting with no torque as well. So yeah, seems to work pretty well. Yeah, got to say, it feels quite well made. It's got a nice feel to it. It's quite heavy. Feels quite good quality, to be honest with you. So let's just have a little quick look at the accessories. So there we get 55-piece accessories. So you've got the extender where you can fit that in to extend from the chuck, and you've got a really good set, a good array of different bits that you can use. We've got the Torx ones and the security Torx with a hole in the middle, and usefully for me we've got hex bits as well, and a nice set of Pozidrive, Phillips and straight screwdriver bits. And then if we just lift this off, there's a compartment underneath which contains the charger, so that's all very neat. So there you go, as I said, just a quick little look at this screwdriver. I would highly recommend it at £15, so if you do manage to see one of these still available in Aldi, I'd snap it up at that price. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, hope to see you soon, bye.